In this video, I will demonstrate an incredible text-to-image AI tool that can create an endless variety of stunning images from just a single prompt. So hello people, I am Vishwa and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it. So this is the tool I was talking about, picfinder.ai. I have provided the link in the description, so you just click on that link and it will take you to this website. So after coming to the website, you just need to sign up with your Google account and you will be able to see a screen like this. So here you can see text box. You just need to search here anything or whatever you want. So let's say dog eating burger in the space. Enter. So the images are getting generated and you can see there are n number of images are getting created. Yeah, so you can see images are generated. So what I have written the query, the prompt dog eating burger in the space. Okay, and we got the result, and the result is pretty good, you can see. And we are getting the endless images. You can see the images are keep on loading. So as I said that we are going to get endless images, and you can see here. So like you must be aware about the different text to image AI tools like Midjourney, Willow, after that Playground AI tool, DALL-E 2. All these tools don't allow like this much of images. Mostly 8 images they can generate, but this pic finder, we can see it can generate the infinite images. You can see it's keep on loading, and the quality of images so good, you can see. If you want to download something, so you can just click on this download icon. You can see here down arrow. Okay, so I'll just click. I'm just downloading this. Okay, it's downloaded. You can see the quality is pretty good. We can like this image as well, and so if you don't like, you can just click on this icon so that the developer of this tool will make the changes accordingly. Okay, and you can see that we are getting the endless images. Isn't it amazing? Here also you can see, here is the setting. So image size, okay, in setting we can see square, tall, wide. Okay, if I just click on wide, so I'll be able to see the wide images. Okay. I just said wide and I'll just hit enter again. Yeah, you can see we are getting the wide images. Okay, so we can use this kind of wide images for our banners. Okay, YouTube banner, Facebook and banner, to make the different types of banner we can use. So we can just see these 3 things in setting: square, tall and wide. After that, here you can see donate. This tool is still under progress, so if you want to donate, so you can donate. Okay, because they are providing this tool free of. So I told you how to write the prompt. So likewise, you can also write the prompt, and the result is completely depend on the prompt. If we write the prompt properly, means if we describe it properly, then we can see the very good results. Okay, so there is one tool, I'll just show you. You can see playgroundai.com. So this is also text to image AI tool. In the rising, you can see very amazing images. For referral purpose, you can use these images. What you can do, you can just come here on this site, and here you can just search a particular type of image. Okay, let's say Joker. You can just copy the prompt of that image. Let's say I want to make this kind of image. Okay, I'll just copy this prompt. I'm just copying now. Copy. I will go to picfinder.com. I'll just paste the prompt here and hit enter button. Likewise, if you try generating the images, so you will get the good result. So you can see it's pretty close, the result. We just added the positive prompt, still we got the good result. So let's try adding this negative prompt as well. So I'm just copying the negative prompt, copy, and I'll just go at the end and I will say don't add this in the images. Pasting. Now let's see. So I have added the negative prompt as well and we are getting this kind of result. So we will try more images. Let's see. We want to create this kind of image. Okay, so I'm just copying this positive prompt. Okay, copy and paste. Yeah, so you can see we are getting very good results. These are really realistic images. So you can do like this. Let's try one more image. I want to generate this kind of image. Okay, so I'm just copying the prompt. Copy. I'm going to the picfinder. I'll just change the setting. I'll make it square. Okay, and just changing the prompt. So like I told you, you can add the negative prompt as well by saying don't include this in the images. Okay, and you can see we got the pretty close result. Isn't it amazing? And let me know in the comment section what do you think about this tool. The best thing is that we are getting unlimited results. We are getting infinite result from the single text. So this is great thing. And one more thing, I have already created the video on Playground AI tool, full video. So if you want to know about this tool completely, okay, how to generate images here, how to edit images here. So here you can see many functionalities. Okay, so to watch the Playground AI video, you can check the I button of this video or you can check the description of this video. Hope you like this video. If you want to learn about Playground AI tool, click on the left video, or if you want to know about tool like Midjourney, that is blue below, then click on the right video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.